was always living on his natural talent, which is amazing, but was just living on that. And from a certain moment, he was starting to have some tactical education, mental education, and so young. I think clearly big improvement is having. That's why we think that from a top talent he become a fantastic player. But now we want, because his talent allow him to think about it, is to go from a top player and become one of the great of his generation. That's why we think that he can, and we are very proud that himself he thinks that Chelsea is the perfect environment for him to have that evolution. That's why he wants to commit to us, and we want to commit to him for the future too.